This tool that I've never shown before on this channel allowed me to earn some decent money online, and in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can do the same. This brand new strategy, which also works worldwide, will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars again and again passively. If you want to know how, then stay tuned. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the website we will be using today in order to make money online is this one here called eclincher.com. This is a social media management tool, as we can see immediately when we come onto this platform. It will basically manage your social media accounts for you, and the reason so many people need to have their social media managed for them is, simply put, because they are either unwilling to do it themselves or they are too busy to do so. And I'd say that business owners are the people who make up the bulk of customers for this website, because think about it. If you are running your business, how much time will you really have to also run your own social media? Not that much, really, and this tool is perfect for those people, because not only will it run their social media for them, but it will also make them grow, which in turn would lead to the owner of the business making more money. Social media nowadays is a huge part of running a business, and that is seen in the fact that some of the biggest companies today have Instagram, Facebook, and other social media accounts. Now, with that said, since I know most of you watching this don't run a business, how is this website here going to make us money? Well, I want you to keep watching, because I will not only show you soon enough how exactly this will get us paid, but also the tool that I came across recently that you've seen in that intro, with which we can literally earn thousands of dollars with ease. Anyhow, you can read more about this site here. Take a look at some of the features it offers, but as I said, since we aren't customers, all of its features it has aren't really that relevant for us. And as such, what you need to do on here is come up to the very top of the page, hover your mouse over Company right here, and then you want to select Partner Affiliate Program, as we will want to promote this website as an affiliate. And doing just that can get us paid very, very nicely. You can see down here that per single person you refer to here, you will earn between $50 and $100, and that is a lot of money. If you refer 100 people in a month to this website, that would be between $5,000 and $10,000 made just like that. So this has a lot of potential to get you paid, and it only gets better from there. Not only do you get paid a lot of money, but there is an endless pool of potential customers for eClincher, since, as you know, there are literally millions upon millions of people all over the globe who are running a business and would need help managing their social media accounts. And they are all potential customers. Furthermore, something that makes it way easier to persuade someone to try this out is the fact that this site offers a 14-day free trial. As I'm sure most of you know, the hardest part about affiliate marketing is trying to get someone to try out the site or product you are promoting, as they are obviously not that thrilled about investing money into something they aren't sure is legit and will actually pay off for them. But with a free trial here, not only will it become much easier to get someone to try this site out, but once they do and they see that it's completely legit and is actually going to help them a lot, they will be willing to pay them to manage their social media, which in turn would also mean you get paid as well. So as you can see, guys, this site's affiliate program has a number of big benefits. It's easier to get someone to try out the site thanks to the free trial, you have an endless pool of potential customers, and lastly, you will get rewarded very handsomely whenever you refer someone to here. Anyhow, to sign up to their affiliate program, what you need to do is click on Apply here. Then you want to enter in all this info, your email address, first and last names. These 3 boxes you will leave blank since they are not mandatory to fill in, as obviously not every affiliate will have a company or a website. What you then want to do is select your country, and now is the perfect time for me to show you what you've seen in that intro. Just check out all of the countries that are available for this website. This does work worldwide, and it makes no difference whatsoever where you're coming from. Anyhow, when you select your country, you will need to enter in your address, phone number, password, the links to all your social media. Tick this box to agree to their affiliate terms, then complete this CAPTCHA and click on Sign Up to finish the process. Now, what happens from there is it will take a few hours for you to get approved into their affiliate program. But once you do and you receive an email from them, you will now be able to grab that affiliate link. And whenever someone clicks on it and then that same person signs up to eClincher, you will get paid. Now that you have the link, it's finally time for me to show you exactly where you will get traffic, and I have two methods for you. The first one is simply through the use of various freelancing platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, and many others. I'll use Fiverr here as an example, but you do want to keep in mind that what I'm about to do applies to all the others. Now, what you will want to do, guys, is search for social media management. So you want to find and contact people who are managing other people's accounts. And these people are the perfect customers for us. Why? Well, think about it. They have all of these customers reaching out to them, and they have to manage all of those accounts by themselves, even though they're getting paid a lot of money, like this person here who's charging $75. They do not have that much time on their hands. And what do you think will happen when you present them with a tool here that will allow them, for a small investment, to manage far more accounts and thus make far more money? Most of them will be willing to give it a try, and this is why these people are perfect customers. They have the money to pay, and they definitely will be willing to try eClincher out since it can make them more money ultimately. And basically, what you will do is you want to contact all of the people that you can find on Fiverr, on People Per Hour, on all of those freelancing platforms. Tell them about eClincher and all of its features, including the free trial, thanks to which many will be willing to give it a try. And let me remind you, you just need like 10 people trying it out for you to earn between $500 and $1,000 just like that, which is insane. With all of that said, as I said before, I do after all have two methods with which you can get traffic. And the second one is through the use of this brand new tool right here, the tool I used myself in order to get paid as well. If you happen to have a tiny bit of money in your pocket and you don't have the time to contact various freelancers and share with them your affiliate link, then this is the perfect software for you. As you can see, this will get you free buyer traffic in literally 30 seconds and will allow you to earn up to $371 a day in completely passive income. Just below that, you can see that you don't need a website, you don't need any experience nor tech skills whatsoever in order for this to work. In other words, this is perfect for beginners. Arguably, however, the best part about this is that it will work in any niche you want. So in this video, we are promoting eClincher. But if you want to promote something on like ClickBank, Digistore24, OfferVault, you most definitely can. The last thing worth noting about this is that they offer a 365-day money-back guarantee and will pay you $200 if this doesn't work out for you. So it's safe to say that this is essentially risk-free. Once again, if you do want to give this a try, and I do recommend doing so, it's the very first link in the description down below. If you, however, don't have the money at the moment, then you can definitely use the freelancing platforms I talked about earlier to get traffic that way and still earn a lot of money nonetheless. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and you like my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below in appreciation. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.